I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is GiveWP. Select a form or task name from the drop-down. I am selecting a user makes donation via form. You can choose as you want. Select a donation form. Click Next. Now here search and select Telegram. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want to get the bot API key. Please visit your Telegram bot father. Copy the token and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Select Chat List. Map the respective fields. You can attach file also. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Telegram. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your donation page. Type some information and submit the donation form. The donation has been done successfully. Now let's go to the Telegram. Here is the data that came into Telegram through the integration. Thanks for watching.